This was like the first keyboard I bought pretty much was the Aula F75, which is probably why you see it in so many videos. I do so many sound tests on it because I just don't think a lot of people are going to go out there and buy like, you know, $100 aluminum keyboards like for their first one. The Aula 75 is like a good entry point, really. So, but I still love this one. I still love the sound. It's more snappy. Yeah, like not even close to the same profile, but their sound profile. But I still do love the Aula 75.